It's me, DJ Potato.
Passeggio tutta sola per le strade, guardando attentamente i monumenti. La classica straniera con un'aria strana che gira stanca tutta la città. A un certo punto della passeggiata mi chiama da una parte un ragazzino, sembrava a prima vista tanto per benino, si offre a far da guida per la città. Pedro, 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 praticamente il meglio di Santa Fe. Pedro, 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 fidati di me, fidati di me. Pedro, 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 praticamente il meglio di Santa Fe. Pedro, 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 fidati di me, fidati di me. Altro che ragazzino che per benino sapeva molte cose più di me. Mi ha portato tante volte a vedere le stelle, ma non ho visto niente di Santa Fe. Pedro, 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 praticamente il meglio di Santa Fe. Pedro, 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 fidati di me, fidati di me. Pedro, 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 praticamente il meglio di Santa Fe. Pedro, 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 fidati di me.
Yo, Chad. What's going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. I hope you guys are ready for this one. We got my boy Jeff. He's finally back. He's been gone. I don't know, the man's been in Cape Town, Joburg. He's been all over, but he's finally back in the office. Jeff, how you doing, brother?
I am doing great, man. I'm feeling ecstatic. I'm doing good.
We're doing good. To my boy there, Mindset Club. Hopefully, no one in this chat went kablowy on NFP. As we said, Chad, we do not miss. We're not your fools out there. There's a study. There's a reason why we do what we do. So again, not only if you guys were here, again, we had a nice in-depth chat about this morning. We called this move 2 weeks ago for you guys, Chad. 2 weeks ago, we called this move for you. Not only did we call it, if you guys look at the estimate coming out way below at a 175, we called a 180. We even called it literally 5k off of what the actual came out as. Guys, you do not get more accurate than that. You do not get more accurate than that. So again, I hope you guys, literally please, I really hope you guys did not try fade us. You listened to us. We had a lot of us. You had Edgar, Forex, Inside SA in the building. We had my boy Chris give you his thoughts, again lining up with us. We had Forbes also, who is in finance, understanding, giving you this. FOMC, guys, Powell gave away some hints for this. Again, everything lined upward. I really hope you guys saw it coming. You guys weren't faked out trying to sell it. I told you the sales are not going to happen. There's just things that are different this time around. So again, going into this market, guys, I'm not going to lie to you. I don't know if I'm going to trade. I had a massive win here today. I don't see any point in giving any of it back to the markets. I'm ready for the weekend, baby. But we're going to see what there is. Maybe some possibilities we'll look at. Who knows? Maybe we feel cute. We take something. But we will see. Nabra Keys, I know you've got it. I say much respect. Curtis, big ups to you, bro. Thanks so much. I DM Chris as well. Abdul, however, I paid $24 with crypto and it timed me out to pay the remaining $4. Abdul, just message Chris. They will sort you out. The support is on it, my brother. Chris will also get you sorted. So just make sure you message him. Otherwise, please, guys, just message support. Send them everything. They will get back to you. But other than that, Chad, it's Friday, baby. It's NFP Friday. We killed NFP. Wasn't much to it. Nothing but a peanut. So I think, guys, let's get over to the charts. Let's look at it and let's go into Wall Street sessions, baby. So let's see what we are looking at. That literally just loaded the same screen. I don't know why I did that. But let's see, Chad. I think today, as you said, going to be a good one. It is a good time to be a trader. When we look at it, as we said, you had unemployment rate coming out lower. So that kind of, if you want to say, literally giving the dollar that little bit of strength. And I think that's what's showing on the markets now, fighting back. So we're seeing that little bit of dollar. But again, I don't think it's going to hold up. That is literally, not even, sorry, I'm actually correct, Chad. What am I talking about? That's actually 1% higher. So that's dollar weakness. My apologies. That's actually higher. So dollar weakness. And you had the 175. Massive miss. The 315, setting the dollar up from a 240 basically. And we said, I don't even think it was going to come out short. It was going to come out at 230 or 220 or 210. I said to you guys, it's going to come out under 200. And I even had the balls to tell you guys 2 weeks ago, we were looking at a 180. You guys can go back. You can look at the stream. There's a lot of guys in the chat here that will tell you this. That's why we do what we do here. But pretty spot on with NFP. We gave you exactly all the reasons. I'm not just telling you to do something. We explained why we were doing it. And again, we had that gut feeling and we back ourselves. You have a strategy. I always say you take the strategy. If you do not back yourself, don't take it if you're in between feelings. This to me was straight up. I had to go with my gut, what I've learned over the years, and put it to the test. So there we go. Now over to the charts, guys. Let's look here. Literally DXY, Chad. This thing literally got shotgunned in the face. It is not looking good for dollar right now. I said to you guys, if dollar breaks, we obviously are looking at that 104 165 key level. We are literally a little bit off of it now. So again, this can just be a little bit of a pullback. We're not going to have any bit of pullbacks. My boy Chris and I even spoke about this, guys. I think a lot of people are going to go wrong now. They're going to try to fade the pullbacks. You're not going to get anything like this, Chad. You're not going to get something like this getting back up. If anything, you might find yourself in just a little ranges, breakouts. Little ranges, breakouts. That's what's going to happen. This is not going to be a stairway back to the top, but just a long-term downwards momentum. The dollar is in trouble now, guys. This is long-term. The dollar is in serious trouble. I'll even be changing this now to bearish. This is not going to change anything now. Dollar, Jay Powell's going to be having a lot of his phone call going crazy right now. He's going to need to make some serious changes moving to the next FOMC meeting. So right now, we're just going to take advantage of this and milk the dollar as much as we can this New York session. Then going over to NAS, guys, same thing with NAS. You're going to see it over here, NAS exploding up. Same thing, we've got this rejection zone, so this might be the area we're going to find some resistance, see a little bit of consolidation, break above, a little bit, break above, and just continue. The indices, gold, everything, they've got a long way to the top side. Once indices breaks this zone again, you're obviously aiming that 800 psychological level, and then you're back chasing those all-time highs, and NAS is in the game. So definitely just going to keep an eye out on this, but it's going to be a very painful day for people. I think a lot of guys are going to try to fade this and have the pullbacks. I'm telling you, it's not going to happen, guys. So just don't get caught in the little accumulation before it breaks away. USD, you're going to have very much the same thing. It's already basically literally hit that daily key level over there. So if you took the trade, as I said to you, aim for your key level. Beautiful TP. We're now pulling back a little bit. So as I said to you, you can maybe see something by the R1, even the weekly resistance, just something like that, until we have a breakaway, hold the key level, breakaway, and continue. Then over to gold, not the last one. Gold having a very thing, and guys, again, this is a gold. Gold is known just to hurt you. Again, anyone that got greedy up here, that is a massive move. You should have closed, what is that, 22.96 all the way to 23.20. You're nearly a full $20, nearly $30 move. So that is something you definitely should have closed if you were still holding that. So that is just greedy. But again, now you guys are literally chilling. So the pullback, you are eventually going to aim for that wick full. But the thing now is, holding this resistance zone we spoke about this morning, and now the thing of can we trade and just fill that wick and go back up. Personally, I say gold 23.50 by the end of the day. The 23.40, 48's over there, so it's just a case of how is gold going to get there. But that's what I would look at the end of the day. Market close at 11 o'clock tonight. So that is pretty much everything from my side, Chad. Very, very much going to be an interesting day. Just basically continuations. That's all we want to be looking for. But again, absolutely milked it today, guys. So over to my boy Jeff. Let's see what his thoughts are.
Yeah, very similar there. Like I said to you before, NFP or after NFP, I doubt I'm gonna have a setup today, because usually after news, that's when I have to wait for price to return to zones. And like in a case like this, for instance, there's no way I can get a change of character to start buying it. I can only flip bullish on the dollar index once we head towards the current weekly S4 on the 4 hour, and that is all the way down here at 104 100. So I would say a dollar index must still go bearish. However, we obviously have a break of structure, so we can see potential pullbacks to the upside, but then getting that continuation will be inevitable, basically. On Nasdaq, similar things. So we currently have taken out, or we have broken through previous supply zones, so that has obviously now flipped our buyers bullish as well. So I would need Nasdaq to trade all the way down towards these levels, towards this weekly pivot, more or less at this demand zone, before I can look to go long on it. And that will more or less be around a zone similar towards the weekly the daily pivot around this level. So but the only thing also here is, even though I would like to see it come down, there's no place where I can per se sell from at this level. And very similar, I would have to wait and see a change of character, which currently it's hard to spot it here, because that zone will only sit all the way down here, basically. So very, very hard to say. US30, similar, can't do anything here as well. There's no sell zone at this level for me, and there's also no demand. Price is currently filling all those imbalances on DXY and on other pairs. On oil, also price never came to my zones. As you can see over here, price almost tapped the supply zone, but nothing as yet. If we can see oil maybe trade up into the supply zone in the session, then we might potentially get something. However, I doubt that's gonna happen. Looking at gold, I want to see gold continue traveling to the upside. However, I would like to see them actually come all the way down towards the level of yesterday, where I took these buys, and just kind of test this level again at the weekly S1, and then continue that move towards the upside. Alternatively, what I would like to see is price basically do like a wick fill, and then just basically play around and then wait to see a breakout either above or below this level. USG Swiss franc price has tapped into my demand zone, but also very similar. It's very hard for me to just spot a change of character at this level. The change of character will only take place all the way up here, so there's nothing over here at this level for me. Same for USD yen. That price almost at my demand level. If we can get to this level, potentially we might have a change of character. But I don't like the fact that, I told my members this as well, I don't like the fact that USD yen and DXY is moving opposite directions. When DXY goes up, when DXY is coming down, UJ running to the upside. I don't like that. EU also throughout my analysis, breaking through this supply zone down here. We're looking for this buys this morning at this green line. Looking at the 4 hour, very similar, you'll see all this imbalance. I can only get bearish on EU once we actually get into the supply zone all the way over here. Then for GU, you will also see price currently filling that imbalance ranges, and then I can only get bearish around this level. However, I will be bullish on this pair if we can see price retrace towards these demand zones, but also similar, like I said, very far away from our zones. This is only things we can look out for potentially next week. So there's demand down here, and there's also a demand zone sitting over here, but as you can see, price is quite far away. Okay, GJ, also nothing of my liking as here yet, or big price at this below this demand zone. As you can see, here's at accumulation, so price is still holding that level. So from my side, guys, that is pretty much it. That's pretty much it. I honestly don't have any setups right now. Made good money with keys on NFP, trading US30, past phase 1. So I wouldn't want to do something that will hurt me.
Yeah, no, there we go. King Shaq, bro. I hope you caught it as well. I know you were bearish on it, but I hope when you were really looking at it, looking at what I was saying to you this morning, you were able to make use of it, brother. Falcute saved and passed P1. Let's go. Awesome, Randy. Jordan Clark, question about news trading. I would have liked to catch that 200 pip move that happened in the 1 minute on yesterday, but I've been burned trading news before. Stop loss in place, but not stopping me out. Any tips? Jordan, a stop loss will not activate in news. It is too volatile. You'll always be slipped. If you're going to trade news, you've got to have a very good understanding. Knowing, yes, you will never be 100% right. But if you are someone that's kind of new to it, I recommend trade with someone that's got the experience in it. So again, we literally spent half an hour. We gave the signal 2 weeks ago already, but spent half an hour to an hour, myself and Ed, talking about it this morning. So if you were here this morning, you would have had the insight, you would have traded with us, and you would have caught that with us earlier. So maybe it's a lesson, Jordan. Hope to see you around here more often, and then you'll be able to catch those news events with us. G's and Chair, what's up? Please, Euro USD. Did you do it, Jeff?
Wait, what's that?
Euro USD.
Oh yeah, Euro USD. Can't do anything there from my side.
Keegs, I am so glad I joined RCA. Awesome, brother. Awesome. I'm glad you could catch it with us, bro. Forex design, I'm long on gold, going for that wick fill. Yeah, guys, I definitely think on gold this wick fill is going to happen. Once we can get a nice close above Asia highs, holding the EQ and everything, long term, as I said, DXY is going to die. It's not going to turn around. We will see gold just go skyrocketing. Keys, do you take a buy pre-news, Wayne? Yes, I did, brother. You can see my stories, me, my mates, my close friends. I gave the signal to them. I gave the same number to you guys. Everything, it was public, guys. So, yeah, we all were able to do it together, but I did enter before news. The 175 is a crazy number. Recession brewing. Yeah, King Shaq, we spoke about it this morning, bro. Yeah, you know the move, Ed. I'm in as well. Keeks, you look like you cannot trade news on Volt markets. Gavin, you can, bro. The thing is they open up your margin. So you can trade. You either got to enter very early. So maybe like 2:15 or something, 2:20. You've got to open and hope you don't get stopped out. Otherwise, you've got to open. You've actually got to risk a lot more to actually open that position size because they open up the margin requirement for protection. Obviously, knowing the risk that is going into that. What's the setup on gold today? Geez, we are looking for the wick fall. Definitely the buys, bro. King Shack, I pay attention, fam. Of course, gold buys. It's going to be a market open pump if it fills the wick. Definitely could be, bro. Definitely could be. We've got 15 minutes till market open, so we'll see what happens there. Raja Bank got 1k profit on news. Damn. For how much that man gets clapped, I'm surprised he only got 1k profit. But it's a good day, Chad. Very, very good day. I've got no complaints. It's been a very, very good week for me. You got 200 pips. Was he just risking a very little? How did he? Other NFPs, when he loses like 12k. How the hell did he only make 1k then? Did he drop his lot sizes or something? What the hell did he do different now? How's it going, gents? Callan, what's up, bro? The chat is all in full force today. Beautiful, beautiful stuff today, Chad. Absolutely lovely. Maybe it's time for some more Bogart now, bro. No more. Beautiful, beautiful day. Chad, as I said, we are just waiting for market open, yeah. So we're just gonna see what happens. I'm still holding bonds in USD since yesterday. Yes, bro. Bro, what is the song did you use? What song, bro? I shocked too. When I saw him live, I found out, he really only 1K only. He blew the rest or what? Where's the Go Toy in the 2G's office?
Where is Billy?
Double.
Oh,
Billy's right, yeah. Just for killing NFP. There you go, double. Billy the GOAT is still here. Bro, I'm so big. I was bullish on NFP. Trying to log into Vault Market to deposit 500 to go full margin, but web page wasn't loading. It kept saying service unavailable. Callan, the problem is, bro, they get flooded. I don't know why people do this. It's like that they don't learn from it. Like, it's going to give you the problem, okay? Because everyone floods at the same time. So what you literally should just do moving forward is enter, like, literally the morning before. Like, in the morning, go deposit your money. Then it's done. Then you go basically in and try place the trade early. But just go place it early in the morning. Thing is, everyone wants to go on 20 minutes, 10 minutes before news. And then everyone's flooding the servers, and the servers are like battle. And that's where the problem comes in. New York Open, sweep liquidity below, they make gold rise. Yeah, we can see about that. Forex insights are bagged 210 pips, so good day. Lilith, but weren't you selling, if I remember this morning? I might be wrong there, but Lilith, weren't you the one who said you were going to sell USD, NAS, and GBP USD because that was your strategy? TV was literally at that John Wick crazy. Even Joash got NFP right, going to snow. Farbs, the problem is they watch our stream. And we've proved that they watch the stream. So the man realizes he always misses NFP. So now he can just watch our stream, get the input from us, and he'll look good. So, Joash, you are welcome, my brother. Keegs me, nope, wasn't me a lot. Okay, no stress. I thought it was you, but all good. I had no clue. I've never traded with Vault Market, so it would have been my first time. Lesson learned, I guess. There will always be another NFP. 100%, bro. At least you have a positive mindset. Don't get like demotivated because of it. Keys, there was some other person. Okay, cool. Bevan, you also remember the person then. You don't remember the name, but you remember who I'm talking about. That 1000% what happened. Hey Keeks, I just got my 550k change account. Wish me luck, Quentin. You're gonna kill this, bro. Wishing you the best, brother. Hello, kom, dankie, say Keeks. Yeah, bro. As I said, we've proved it that they watch the stream, so they can't even try to deny it. So when I say you are definitely that cuck, he 100% is gonna come watch the stream to get a signal. Because the thing is, it's easy, Chad. Like, think of it this way. He either gets the signal from us, and he wins 9, he looks amazing. And if he loses, he would just say, but you see, even those guys said the same thing. So it was just a cuck one. You see what I'm saying?
That's very true.
Then he doesn't look that bad, because you'll say, but you see, even these guys you think are so good, they also got it wrong. So it's a win-win for him just to copy our setup. But it's all good. Like I said, there's space for all of us to make money. End of the day, when we... Joash, I will find you, brother. You won't be able to run or hide. And we will trade live in person. So Joash, stop practicing, brother. I was expecting a long wick to the downside on USD and then a push up, but the down move didn't happen, so I stayed out. Okay, awesome. Anyone know if Vince is good? King Shaq, funny enough, I was listening about this the other day. Vince has been quiet, Chad. Wait, where's Nilo, Nilo or Eti? Are they here? Because I know you guys have the little WhatsApp group. Is everything good with Vince, guys? Yes, definitely. I'm gonna go deposit the $500 now for the next. Man's gonna make sure he's ready. 9 minutes till market open, Chad. Eti, yes boy. Yeah, bro, is everything good with Vince, bro? He hasn't been here in a while. Oh yeah, Vinci is doing well. Is he just busy with work or stuff, guys? Okay, guys, enjoy your weekend. See you next week, legends. Awesome, Donnie. Have a lacquer weekend, brother. He was the energy mascot of the stream. Miss him, gang. He's just very busy with work, brother. Okay, awesome. We'll let him know we are thinking of him, yeah. The Chad misses him. EU buys before news potential. I don't know, Ruan. I don't really look at EU now, brother. Vinci just very busy at work and studies. Okay, awesome. As long as you know the man is good.
And okay, alive
that's
and well.
He's not dead. then we are happy at Chad. As you always say, we do recognize the OGs of the Chad. We recognize when they're not here. So yeah. Passing my greeting / there we go. Vinci got very busy. Okay. But let's see what happens here, Chad. I think it's, as I say, going to be a good one today. Oh yeah, how's the Chad? Aish, I'm late, but was watching Raja Banks act like a clown and a cake on the charts. Aish. Yeah, bro, that man, he has no clue what he's doing. Super chilled. I called him yesterday, told him we miss him. No, okay, guys. As long as we know everyone in the chat is safe and sound. Also, Chad, while we wait, again, just remember, make the most of it. It'll be done this weekend. The code NFP. The link is down below to support the channel if you don't mind. 40% off all accounts, guys. So that just shows some support for the channel. Again, we get you guys these discount codes, so make the most of it. They'll be ending this weekend. So yeah, just capitalize on it, guys. You saw we did this, guys, passing phase once because of it. Let's head up. We are getting ready for CPI. Remember, CPI is I think 2 weeks time. So make sure you have it then ahead of CPI, guys, and we can do a round 2. Maybe feel cute. Maybe we trade CPI live for you guys. I'm going to be offline for the next 3 weeks. I have my mid-exams coming up. Wish me luck, lol. We will miss you on the stream list. Enjoy. Good luck, miss. Hopefully you smash it out the park. I will do so, my brother. Will send the love. Literally put in a buy and sell stop and waited. He made 1k. Yeah, that's what he always does. I was in Uganda a year ago. Got fam there. PC landed / what we jamming tonight. Ooh, the boys all bring out their PCs. I know I got mine last week. My boy JW, I don't know if he's in the chat. He's just on the way. King Shack just got his new one. The guys are performing here, Chad. But he acted like he predicted the move. Oh, bro, that man can't predict shit. State of the markets there, boys. This is no place for beginners. Mo, we just absolutely milked the markets. I think the only beginner might be you, my brother. So just enjoy your time off the charts. We are already eating today, brother. Peace out for the win. What the hell is wrong with gold, lol? It keeps pushing lower up, bro. It's just, that's gold. It's there to hurt people. The PC boys, 100%. Come back, teach me some Forex. I'm new struggling trader, 2 months now. Forex Insights SA. Mo must have got hurt here, guys. His account went kablowy. They're trying to trade NFP because he didn't listen to us. Not our Mo, Chad. This clown Mo in the in the Chad.
That'd be funny.
Yeah.
If that's our Mo in there.
Nah, that's not our Mo.
Nah, that's not our Mo. Almo would have came in here with some
is
vengeance.
eating, bro. I knew for a fact because he took my signal. He was eating. The man just didn't have faith in me, so I don't think he made that much. But
no, King Shaq. I was just sorting something out here, responding to the wifey, and I've responsibilities. Man has to go to the shops after this.
we eating Mo. Jeff, my top G. Oh, what's it right? Be humble, Chad. Gaston. Who? I don't know who Gaston's talking to. Devin is Mo. Yeah, he definitely went kablowy, Devin. Gold is giving back all the progress they made on you, so what will it simulate now? Nah, it will still go good, guys. Don't worry. Mo Blow. Caftings. Rolio story. I'm dead. I didn't even see Rolio's story. Are you talking about the car, bro? Or which one? I didn't see anything after that. Tell the wifey it's Chad time though. Nah, bro. To be fair, I don't think in Jeff's place, any pregnant woman, you're not gonna tell her what to do.
Yeah, yeah. It's
Gents, again, how do you always manage to balance a relationship and trading? I think, honestly, bro,
you need a partner who
you-
understands.
yeah, your partner needs to understand it. They need to understand it. But at the same time, it just needs to come that middle ground, I think.
Yeah, as not like in the saying of understanding in the sense of understand trading, but like understand that this is not like a regular job per se.
Yeah. Wait, where's guys? Guys. She's already giving me the stink eye. Like, what does this boy want? Come here, the guy's asking a question. The chat wants to know, how do we balance a relationship and trading?
I get to watch a lot of series. I don't know.
Was that really just your answer?
I support it. I work in it. I think it would be different if I wasn't working here. I think it would be different if I wasn't working here, but because I work here, I see him every day, so it doesn't feel like we're really balancing anything. Does that make sense?
Yeah, but you also were around before I was trading. Like, before you were working, yeah, and I was still trading.
I guess I'm just a really freaking cool girlfriend. No, I'm joking. No, it's communication, understanding. I suppose that's what it comes down to. In life, you've got to make sacrifices for things, so why not make a sacrifice for something that could make you money?
There you go. There you guys have it, Chad. From the missus. My partner will probably understand only once the money starts pouring in. Eden, I'm not gonna lie, but I think that is a lot of them. They are, even the girlfriends, I think, to a point of very doubtful of the whole like trading's a scam thing until they can start seeing the benefits of it.
Yeah.
But yeah, she trusts his ears when he takes losses at the office, by the way. The smile keys when she said that line. Yeah, Johnny said, I have old signals channel I bought into a long time ago, and when they're also selling, I just laughed and thought they didn't watch the TGs. Nah, Johnny, I'm gonna go check it out. I'm gonna go see which idiots were selling it. As long as you're making money, yeah, in the end, it's all about the Benjamins, yeah. You want lucky guy shot, my man. I thank you for that. Flipping solid advice from your missus. Thanks, man. Anytime.
And also, I would say, guys, if you are a single guy, though, don't go out searching for that love just because you see other people doing it. That's a mistake I've made before I met Michaela, and I would get used by a woman. So, also, like, it's very, very cool to find someone, but like, don't rush into it trying to.
Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah, solid advice there, Jeff. Guys, markets are open. And then around to you because Vince Adonia's in the chat, baby.
Oh, Vince
He's
is here.
back.
Welcome, Vincey.
Oh, welcome back, Vince. The Chad was missing you, brother. The Chad was missing you. But yeah, Chad, I think we're still in the trading is a scam phase at the Mo and Shay camp. Egg blogs for Vince, Chad. Yeah. I told my wife about trading and haven't talked to her about it ever since. Going through the blown accounts phase, but persistence will get me there. 100%, bro. Could it be on gold? Check out my live NFP trade. Market miner, we did that. Ooh, hold on. Hello?
Okay, I'll take over from here. Yeah, man, Vince, great to have you back here. I also feel good to be here.
Okay, cool.
First minute shuffle, markets are open. Oh, Vince, what you keeping yourself busy with? Is it spun or is it studying?
But also, guys, I think it is just understanding again. Honestly, sorry, just looping back to it. It really just is understanding. Like where the guys are joking about when you're having when you're having a tough week and losses. I think the big thing, I mean, Jeff might also add to this, and I think even Alsteby would be the same with Chris. Like, like you don't need to come ask questions. If we come home and we were trading and we're in a mood, it just probably wasn't a good day on the charts. Thanks so much. It just wasn't a good day on the charts, and you can leave it there. So, again, just understanding, like, if we grumpy or moody, you know why. From females where my ex also traded, but the problem is men become obsessive with trading, completely ignore you, or if they have bad days in the markets, it gets taken out on you. No, I do get where you're coming from with that. I do understand what you're saying.
What do you mean, Mo? Moski.
Pleasure, my brother. We'll boycott them next week.
No, from next week. Well, we said this week we're done. Just on the chat, no more for a while.
Jeff, have you seen those CCTV cameras?
Yeah.
Like in the middle of Limpopo there, and then like truck accident on Tuesday.
Okay. How about you? Sort it out fast.
Bro, these freaking Kuwait smoothies are like bulletproof.
Open the YouTube, let's see, you know.
Oh, that's good, Mo.
Chad, I'm not gonna like break my
Sorry,
smoothie. Yeah.
Chad. Let's not get too loosey here.
That seems.
What is going on with this thing?
That seems otherwise.
These are the people who are supposed to make you money. These two goofballs.
Bro. This thing went open, bro. Ah, there we go.
Playing with my time.
What is happening to gold here?
Yo. Bro, I don't know what's happening with that, but I'm out. I'm done. Guys, I really hope no one's still holding gold.
Yeah.
This is that
Insane.
moment where Joe Ash would be sitting through this, and then he'll be like, "Oh, guys, we sat through this. See, it's coming our way. We were right." Yo, Rory and Curly, have ever heard your feelings? Learn the importance of risk management. Curly, we all smashed it, yeah, bro. We smashed it, yeah. Thing is, Naz, I don't think something else happening with gold, guys. This thing's done this, like one little candle, and gold to be doing that. Yeah, that's wild. Naz, US City, what are they doing? Yeah, no, guys, that's something else. That's something with gold. That's not your other pairs. Yeah, I'm out. 200 pips down. Yeah, it's crazy. Gold pays the bills. So if you're on the right side, it does. The G's and catch one NFP, and now they're ordering Kwai again. we'll boycott it next week, guys. There's your handicap, Chad. Yeah, no, Eden, that's definitely the worst. The worst question is, how much did you make today when you hit a massive loss? I must say, it is funny though when you go look at NQ1. Wait, what the hell is NQ1?
I think he's referring to Nasdaq.
I was gonna say, what the hell is NQ1? Curly, is it NAS, bro? What's NQ1? Crude oil also no. What's NQ1? Sad, I saw a goal from the bottom week of the floor. I didn't think it would drive like that hard, y'all. NQ is futures. I think NQ1 are futures. Oh, futures, but check the E-mini. What, bro? What are these things you call? You sending me an E-mini? Jeff, have you even heard of these things, bro?
The only E-mini I know of is Vinny E-mini, the guy who beefs with ICT.
Bro, I have no clue what this man wants me to search here.
I think he is. He says put in NQ1.
E-mini there, Nasdaq futures.
Yeah, and I'm gonna see. I think that's comics.
It's still bullish. It just looks like normal Nasdaq.
It's normal Nasdaq. I don't know why. Yeah.
Nasdaq futures. I can't believe my eyes. How it's in futures, guys. I don't get though. What am I looking at though? Like earlier, I'm being funny, bro. I just don't know what's the difference with this to normal
Why
Nasdaq?
is it that the prices aren't the same on Nasdaq? There's like a 100 pip difference. Like Nasdaq 100 is at 17,800. That is at oh no. But you know you're back on Nasdaq now, ne?
Oh yeah, that's back. That's normal Nasdaq. Yeah.
Yeah, the other one has a different price on it.
Go, bro.
I don't know. Apparently, you make you're more accurate if you trade that.
Oh, okay. Alright. Alright. This is not manipulated. Futures can't be. Oh, okay. But it almost looks identical, yeah, bro. I'm not saying you're wrong again. I'm just they look the same to me.
I'll say this once: all markets are manipulated.
Bro, this is the song Chris is like mind blown by.
Even
because the way
Nasdaq-
the song moves around your head.
Why is it so loud?
No, man, I'm just saying. 'Cause I put it like, but it's like Chris gets mind blown every time the song comes on because it moves around your head.
Oh.
He's like a little child when the song comes on, bro. This is not going to be a future video. Is Vault having problems with deposits reflecting? Reason asking is because I've been experiencing problems with my deposits being approved but not reflecting. Stays on under review. Garth, I wouldn't say it does, bro, because I literally deposited, traded.
It's Mo who
and
did this.
withdrew.
Oh, Warren. It's Mo who did this. Yeah, Mo.
CFD is not allowed in the US, so they trade future. Okay.
But even so, the market has a market maker. Hence, it is still manipulated, even though it might not seem that way. It still has a market maker. There's still liquidity injected and ejected out of it. If you want to argue with me, go research as a guy, the Einstein of Wall Street.
Yeah, what if he's wrong?
Who's there?
What if he's wrong?
He works there. He works on the floor. He even mentions guys who are market makers who inject liquidity into the market, and you can go research these people.
But what if that's just a conspiracy theory for you to believe?
Not
How
like
they always do
no,
false
like
advertising.
literally, like if you go watch the interview, the names he mentions on there, go research those names and what he means by market makers, and yeah, like literally, I would say go do your own research. Go do your own research on that.
But I'm saying, what if he's wrong, bro?
Oh, that guy.
Yeah.
I don't
What if he's saying that just to trick you?
I don't think he's wrong.
No, but I'm saying, but what if it's like everything, bro? It's like psychologically. What if he's saying that to make you think that, but that's not the case? It's a reverse psychology.
Oh, then I would say that to mislead him of the true market makers.
But that's but what I would justify can be a short notice.
ICT wrote the algo is bullshit.
Nah, that's obviously bullshit.
No, man, so start interrogating Jeff. Veronica, I'm asking, what if life is all about reverse psychology?
I will always say this. Based on my method that I trade, if you've watched the Trading Alchemy, every single day, the same thing happens.
Is he... Sorry, Jeff Karen.
Yeah, but I was saying is like every single day, the same ideology is applied in every market. Hence, I say like the market is controlled in that sense because that regulation you speak of, that regulation is controlled so that things don't fall out of line and so that, think about it this way, if the market was random, if the market was random buyers and sellers, that means economies worldwide and so forth would be at the mercy of buying and selling. So why would companies and things like that be at the mercy of random buying and selling? Something to think about.
So back to my boy Caleb, yeah. So does RCT fail? Is he out of the Robins?
I have no idea. I've heard people say he was on the leaderboard. I've checked. I haven't seen him on the leaderboard.
He hasn't been on the leaderboard once.
I don't know.
He hasn't been on the leaderboard once. That I know. Yeah, he's probably going to say, yeah, he was targeted by the market makers and But you know, that's always my thing. So if he wrote the algo, why can't he know what the algo is going to do and take him out? Like, I'm just saying. But can you explain to me why sometimes price does not tap into fair value gaps or order blocks? I've watched the trade alchemy by Gian.
Okay, I don't know what Gian is, but but basically there's two reasons why I've realized price doesn't tap into a fair value gap on order block, and that's because the market structure hasn't shifted that direction as yet, or there's no liquidity to go there.
Yeah. Also, the thing is, guys, the markets are not driven by fair value gaps and order blocks. They're not the end all be all of markets. So they don't have to be filled, they don't have to be tapped, they don't have to be any of that. Is the earth flat too? Trader Tom? Maybe, bro. Maybe. You never know, bro. Until you get to the end and you tell me if you keep on going, if you fall off. But I mean, if you fall off, you're not going to be able to come back and tell me.
I know a guy
So
who fell off the
we're
edge.
never going to know.
I know a guy who fell off the edge.
There you go, guys. So it's flat. There it answers the question. No, bro. The algo hunt stops more. They kidnapped his kids, bro, and stole his algo script, so he is unable to make it now. Ah, there we go. There we go. A fair value gap is a normal pricing balance. That's all, 100%. This argument won't end. That's not an argument, guys. We're just chatting caca. The other thing is traders can't differentiate between imbalance and fair value gaps. The market does what the market does. We use those confluences to try and predict what might happen next, but the market will always do what it wants to do. Guys, for example, perfect example this morning. Everyone was going, the markets are going to price in. Yes, that's what we would have liked to see. Not that we were wrong. It's just that's when our strategies teach us. That's what we would have liked to see was markets price in to give us the buys today. So not that our plans changed. We knew we wanted to buy today, but we wanted to see a price in. What did markets do? They just said, nope, I'm parking right here. The whole day, we're going to move in a 2-pip range. That was it. Done. They didn't price in shit. They just stood right there. And the markets can do that. If Keek says buy on NFP, just be quiet and full margin. You will make money. Jelly J, appreciate it. But I hope you got to kill it with us.
Keegan's so good. Keegan's so good. What, enter before news, full margin, get a margin call, and you still survive.
Guys, that's not even a joke. We sitting here, the three of us, myself, Jeff, and Mo, and we try to get in. Eventually, we're all in here. And Mosey's like in, I'm in, Jeff's in. The next minute, I'm like, yo, bro, I'm already up like a lacquer amount. I look at Jeff. Jeff goes, yo, bro, I'm staying alive. Like I was just margin called, but I'm in here, bro.
Yo, my margin went to 0. I was like, yo, look at me getting stopped out here before
just
the news.
Before the news.
Who are these market makers, institutions that drive the market? Doesn't mean they have insider information. They know all our moves.
Jeff,
So-
don't answer this, bro. Don't answer.
So
You're gonna
basically,
make this man's brain sit there the whole day thinking about this now.
so I'll put it this way: Citibank, Citigroup, go research the story of how they shut down a brokerage using their traders. And then after they bankrupted the brokerage, they were like, "Yo, I see you in financial trouble. How about you give me your firm?" And then this illusion was created that we have all these different banks that we can trade with or use, but they all in the same, all in cahoots.
Guys, markets are literally doing nothing. 50-minute shuffle is done. But as of yet, nothing I can actually take a trade off of. As I said, I'm not going to lie to you. I don't even know if I'm going to take a trade. But we're just going to see if there's even anything worth taking. That thing slipped me like 40 pips and I still managed to bank like 70 pips. How are the aliens and UFOs involved? That's the thing, Trader Tom. The aliens are the
market makers.
They are the market makers. Bang, bro. That's
Yeah.
your head right there. Bang.
We do not come in peace.
Yeah, they are here to take your pips. That is the real market makers. That's all. That's why you can't see the UFOs, because all the technology, the algos, what run the markets is in their UFOs. That's technology that we don't understand. Yo, Curly, how did you type so fast, bro?
I don't mean to sound like a
That
hater,
man
but
typed a paragraph and another paragraph and another paragraph before anyone else could send a message. Gold, your Maxwell gold is dying, bro. It's taking shots. But I don't know what's going on there, because DXY is barely moving. That's the thing. DXY is still holding under the S2. That's what you'll see now is USD are still going bullish. So I don't know what's going on with gold. Like, I'm not going to lie to you. I don't know what's causing that. You know that SA part is someone will actually believe you. Guys, please tell me no one's taking anything off gold now, yeah? Please. Should have gone with the Nas Wickful. Yeah.
no, I feel like I've had a good week. On my personal account, I made 1,000%, 100 rand, actually 1,300%, 100 rand to 1,400 rand. Past that phase one, awaiting payout from Volt Funder. I've had a good week. Yeah, we can just chill. The vibes.
Oh, we just vibing out there, Chad. Gold buys, let's go. Yeah, I think with what Peter was saying, what Peter said, yo, if the 4 hour flips bullish, your buys could be on. Guys, there's no reason for this bearishness on gold, so I'm still gonna stick bullish on it. Jay's Cam's getting margin called.
Damn, man.
I just bought a funding account on Vault Funds today. Hey, Manuel, wish you the best for it, brother. I hope you smash it. Took the short one, 5-minute candle straight to TPA. Awesome little trader. If it flips, I got that wick fill. Yeah. What are your views on synthetics? I've never touched it and never will.
If you want to trade a market that is controlled by the Riv, one market maker, that's what you can do. You can trade 24/7, obviously, but synthetics is not like backed on anything like gold and like things like this. It's based on mathematics. The data collected there based on their chart patterns, and obviously the Riv is the market maker.
Yeah, guys, my thing is, we'll never forget it. The day Jeff comes to Chris and myself, we sit on the couch the one day, and Jeff has this bright idea that we must create our own pair on synthetics. And we're like, Jeff, why would we do that? No, but look at this and the amount of money we can make and blah, blah, blah. And we're like, Jeff, just can you give us some of the stats on this? Bro, every single stat this man gives us is negative. It's negative for the trader. And he's still like smiling, like, guys, like, yeah, we can do this. We're gonna make it the Mzansi 500. Like, this is gonna blow up. And we just like, Jeff, are you not hearing yourself, bro? Like, this thing is gonna kill us. But no, we will not ever trade synthetics, guys.
So Lilith, I say gambling is only I would quote The Hangover, Alan, one of the smartest people to ever exist, Alan from The Hangover. He said it's not gambling if you're in control of it. So, is it really gambling, or was it just making responsible decisions?
I just started a Vault Funder challenge and caught buys on gold. If it hits 23.05, I passed the challenge. Could be a record, lol. Danielle, that is awesome, bro.
Yeah.
I think you definitely over leveraging. If you bought at that wick fill and that little move is gonna pass your account,
Sure.
I think you're over leveraging a bit, but that would be awesome for you, bro. News at 4 p.m. influencing gold price at the moment could spike up after news. Yeah, I think it's PMI. We've got at 4, hey? Yeah, PMI. So we'll see what happens there. I'll only take gold above Asia highs. Yeah, for me, even at Asia range, once we're in the Asia range, I'd consider it. No, man, just the entry level account trades, just the entry level account trades, 0.03 size. Okay. Let's see what happens here, Chad. Let's see, news in 7 minutes.
Manual, you only
To go to the live, that's just depending on how quickly you get your KYC done. Once your KYC is done,
and also 5 minimum trading days.
no, what I'm saying, once he's completely passed it.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, you have your 5 days, you've done your 5 days and you passed. Then you just get an email, you have to fill in your KYC documents. Once your KYC documents are done, you will get your live account. And then from the first trade you take, it is 30 days. Till your first payout.
So Lilith, I will say this. I used to trade it, ne? I only used to trade that. I made shitload of money. They banned me. That's not that type of like trading I used to do. I used to put in like $10 a week. $10 is about 200 rand, and I flipped the account like 30k, like $1,000, $1,200, $500 within a week. That's what I used to do there on synthetics. But you say there, it's bold to take you out of the trades. I used to also say that until I studied how they manipulate the market. The thing is, you need to understand, like, here's the thing. The market is your enemy, or you understand, or the market maker is your enemy. How do you beat your enemy? You must study your enemy, know their weaknesses. So for instance, crash and boom, it goes through your stop loss. So why don't you just trade the way that it doesn't go through your stop loss? Meaning, instead of trying to catch the spikes, you trade the slow move, you know, things like that. The problem with those pairs are people purely chase the money, and it goes back to skill as well. But same with trading. If you have the skill, the money will automatically follow.
Yeah, Tio, yeah, that is fine with the prop firm. There's nothing wrong with that. Reading Art of War is a must for trading. Yeah, whoever my brother was, where is it? Was it Danielle? Who was it? Yeah, Danielle, this thing's climbing, bro. So hopefully you're going to be passing that account then. I don't know where your TP would have to be to pass, but it's going. I'll be back now, Chad.
Trust me, if we could get something, I would let you guys know if we can get in on something. But tololo, 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 tololo. Think about it this way. If you have a guy at your brokerage, obviously they have a lot of liquidity. So I'm not a problem. It's not a problem paying me out. I always get my money. The problem becomes if you think about it in percentage terms like this. Imagine putting in $10, right? If you make $100, that's 1,000% gain. If you make $1,000, that's a 10,000% gain. So imagine someone making like 10 to 40,000% every month by putting in like literally like $10. Then one day they basically just deactivated my withdrawal button. From that withdrawal button, like it was arguments, and eventually they were like, you know what, you can't even log into your account again. And the thing is, I can't do anything about it because firstly jurisdiction, and the second thing is, even if I could, they probably have one of the best lawyers in the world. Quentin, have you compared gold and V75 together? Because the synthetics are not based on gold or oil or anything like that. It's a mathematical function and based on the internal supply and demand seen by the market maker. Hence I said derivative. Derivative is a good broker. They're good. It's just when you start making money and you become a liability to them, obviously like it's a problem. But I was also rude to the employees because obviously they're messing with my money, But yeah, in the end, like I have multiple clients who still use them. They get their withdrawals. It's up to the individual, up to you. I would say challenge yourself, get banned, then you can trade. Gerald, new traders like me need motivation. How long will I burst myself till I see profits? No one can tell you that personally. Only you can determine when you start becoming profitable. A good example of this is, let's quickly make an example, ne? Let's say for instance you look up to Keegan. You want to trade like Keegan, you want to live a life like Keegan and so forth. But what are you willing to do to get to the level that Keegan's at? Like, you don't know the amount of nights where he sat, like for instance, studying up until 3-4 o'clock in the morning when no one saw. Like, these are the things people don't see, like that happens behind closed doors. There's a saying that goes, if you want to look good in front of 1,000 people, you have to outwork 1,000 people when no one is watching. So only you can determine like when you become profitable as a trader, because only you have control over your journey. Only you can make your own decisions.
Sell USD, sell. Bro, it's not even funny. Actually watching Radio's thing, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like all of his navigations, and it's all different signal groups. Sell USD. Oh my word. Oh.
And like, if you guys think I'm joking about that, literally go to my Instagram and go check the withdrawals I used to make, and like the profits. I still do it on the rand accounts now. So obviously it's different now trading rand. I can't flip it like I did on derivative, because the amount of pips and the volatility is not the same like the synthetics. A synthetic pair would move like 200 pips in a day like it's nothing. You can catch 200 pips up, 200 pips down, and look like the market barely even moved.
Oh, please see the hand with me reversing. And I need to go back to the drawing board. Yeah, shit,
Wow, what did you do now?
No, I didn't fuck up actually. It's just like, here I am, I'm seeing a solid move. Right? I'm gold down now. And I'm like, let me just enter for the sake of it. With a very small lot size. And I'm like, you know what, my criteria is valid. I thought. I don't know, 80 pips? No.
Not bad.
That's why I was asking about the reversal.
Okay.
But it's just like,
Look at you flexing like
no, but like, stupid as nonsense. I just wanted to be in it to see. Like, I was risking nothing.
Yeah.
And I'm like, what am I doing? Because I can clearly see it. I should have entered in like my regular lot size. I'd be like,
You're really fighting with yourself this week, man.
Well, it's like I said, right?
Yeah.
Keep the man in the track, man. They don't want to just cool save it on.
no.
Um,
Like, did Jim not tell you? You meet with
Bad news for USD come again on go. Okay, I see that. I see that. Yeah, you see, so I actually spoke to Ed about it this morning. I asked Ed about it last night, and I said like, if you have a 300 rand account, are you willing to risk 33% of your account per trade? But then the thing is, you must be willing to risk 33% of your account per trade, willing to make 99 to 150%. You know, so like, those are the type of things you have to consider. You must be willing to take those hits. Matthew, do you think we can see sales of the Asian low? It rejected the Asian low, yes. But my bias is still bullish on gold. But it's just I can't obviously get in on anything right now. Like, I don't know what I should do. For me, I feel like I will only be able to determine what happens in London session on Monday. Once we have some new highs and lows set, new highs and lows swept as well, and then we can actually spot that liquidity.
So
Hi guys, I told you though,
You sell? Buy.
for what?
Okay. Oh no, Moski when he took his thingy. Nice. Sniper entry, sniper exit.
yeah, I guess. It should have been in the middle of us. I should have full back.
No. The Vegas trader, bro. I said to the guys, I'm not gonna trade now. we milked NFP, bro. I've already put in my withdrawals, things like that. So no. I'm not trading now, brother. I'm chilling out.
Oh, Valentine, you have to earn it. You have to earn it, my man. Get a payout and I'll get your first payout and I'll ask Chris to give you a cap. The thing is, we can't give caps to people who be breaching accounts.
Yeah, that man just went there. Yes, savage.
That's obviously a joke, guys, but you guys know what I mean. You know. What's this for?
He can go to smoothie. I don't want him to. I wanted to do it as a joke, like, hey, Chris, we're also broke. We chipped in for a smoothie. But baller man over here.
Oh, it's because he made money in a few seconds.
With a JVR.
Okay, let me rather not make that joke. Oh,
Yo, Jev's going for blood here today, Chad.
Yeah, no, Valentine, like, that's what I want to hear. Coming forward, you're gonna earn it with hard work. Yeah, my man. Yeah. I'm gonna ask Chris to make a few more caps. Some caps will say phase 1, some will say phase 2, and let me at least know where you're at. Oh, maybe with some add-ons, ne? And every day you can change the percentage as well on the side.
Sorry.
Do you guys give accounts to beginners also like me, because I may blow the account? How much is to pay the cheapest account? So
Ishawa, just go look on the website. You'll see what the cheapest account is, brother.
yeah, and then when it comes to giving away accounts, I wouldn't say we give away accounts, but if you watch the streams constantly, there's times where Chris feels very generous, and then he would basically, then there's a competition that runs to choose a number, and if you choose a number correctly, then you will win the account.
Yeah, we haven't done it in a while, Chad, but we do it when we feel nice, when we're in a good mood. So it can happen anytime.
Jean Lee says, I was up 5%, then down 7%, now up 2.7%. That's good. That's great, man.
Yes,
Look here, my 500,000 challenge, ne? I was down 9.9%. Ne? 9.9%.
Yeah.
And I was like, the next trades either breach this thing or I survive. I brought the thing back, going back to break even. I don't know. I don't know, with the small challenges I passed them. The big challenge, it still sounds like still, I don't know what it is.
Guys, I'm not going to be that person. I don't want it to sound bad. But the true thing with funded traders, funded challenges come with the big accounts. Because that's when the mind game is going to come. That's psychological. That's...
So it's not me.
No, bro. That's what I say. Like I said, I don't want to sound rude because I'm not trying to say I take away from you passing your other account. But what I say, the big challenges come when it's the big accounts. Because it's more psychological. Like,
that's the same way I
this
feel.
way.
Yeah.
Like when you trade a small account now, what you're making on that account, you can make that on your personal. You've made those numbers before, so mentally you're okay with that. But when it comes to the big account, the whole thing about funded accounts is you trade in bigger accounts, bigger lot sizes than you ever have before. So visually, psychologically, you see numbers you're not used to. And that's what throws you. That's what makes it psychological and mental.
Because the thing is, if I trade a small account, let's say I trade a 300 Rand account, I can tell myself, Javen, I'm risking 100 Rand in this account. Because then from that 100 Rand, I basically calculate what my stop loss should be. The exact same way, obviously, for funded challenge. But I don't know. Like, I've passed my second prop firm now. And this is a small account. But my big accounts, for some reason, I just can't seem to... I don't know what it is. It's either I don't take the trades, I take on the small accounts there. Or if I do take the trade there, then I take a shitty trade on it.
Yeah, that's what guys like I said. I'm not trying to take away like what James done. He's proved to himself that you can do it, because it is. End of the day, you have to do what you did on the small and do it on that one. You'll do it. But it's the psychologically. That's all it is. Psychological. It's taking what you did on the small and execute on the big one. You just need your brain to see it the same way.
Very interesting what the mind can do.
That's why,
Powerful
guys. There's been times I've been in monster trades. And I've shown Jev and them, and I'll be like, but I'm not closing. I'm either going to TP or break even. And I do those type of trades purely because psychologically I need to keep testing my brain in my mental game. I need to be okay that I can go break even and have left that amount of money on the table. Or I can go TP and see it through. That I'm also not pulling the good trades short because I'm getting emotionally attached to it. So there's, as you always say, there's a lot of trading psychology that goes into it. Like literally today, funny enough, I literally put out a post about 4 psychological tips every trader should know. So you guys can even check that out. But literally, psychological is a big thing in trades, especially when you want to start leveling up to the bigger numbers. Jean Lee, you're a pro, but for me as a noob, it's dizzy. And you see 5 pips in drawdown, you start pinching your butt cheeks, lol. Yes. Says my brother. Jeff.
Are we?
Chris, if you're watching, I'm just saying bye because I'm doing the vlog.
Jeff, are you going to take a trade, bro?
To be honest, no.
Guys, unfortunately, I think we're going to call it early. Reason being, I do not see myself taking a trade, as I said to you from the start. Honestly, we're here for vibes and that. I don't see it happening. But more, just again, we had a family having a graduation party tonight, so we have to obviously be at some places. So just to get home, freshen up, do all our stuff we need to do and get there. So
yeah, and people like myself want to spend their first weekend in their own home.
Hey, big ups to you, my brother. But yeah, guys, so I think we're gonna call it there. As I said, personally, I don't see dollar make a turnaround. So like I said, it can maybe, if anything, just fill the gap it left and then continue back to the downside. Initially, if you want to talk about the breakaway move, so fill the test of the breakaway and continue bearish after that. Gold, obviously, the bit more aggressive one, where NASDAQ still very much bullish. As I said to you, can just have the small range now once they hit the rejection zone till it breaks. And US study, the same thing, hitting the key level, bit of rejection until they can break again. So market's not really doing much, Chad. But let the fortnight begin. Matthew, maybe a bit later, bro. As I said, I've got some family things to get to, so maybe later. It won't be now. But again, guys, really appreciate all of you. Appreciate the love on the channel. Let's just say we do the things to see the analytics sides, and honestly, we are seeing the numbers, the likes, the views, the concurrent viewers, the click over rates of things. It is just being crazy, and trust me, we appreciate all of it. We feel the love that you guys give us, and we're truly grateful for it. So, for example, us giving you guys an NFP signal and doing it for free, no $200 for it. It's just our way of giving back. So, other than that, Chad, Jeff, any closing remarks, brother?
From my side, guys, don't do anything I wouldn't do. I always tell you guys that be safe. Always be reminded of when things went wrong on days like this, and remember not to do it. And other than that, guys, it's almost a new month, or we're in a new month. Set your goals, backtest. It's weekend. Don't just party, and make the best of the weekend. Do something this weekend your future self will thank you for.
Hey, you're the edge coming here with tight like a tiger, bro. I don't want to even know how you know how tight a tiger is, but
Wait.
You and Lilith
I've-
having a moment there.
I've heard this tighter tiger before. What does it mean again?
Bro, I don't know. But Chad, we are going to leave it there. Again, appreciate all of you. For those there, like my boy Ishibira, if you are buying an account, remember, bro, use code NFP. We'll give you 40% off. That will be done by the end of this weekend. So again, guys, make the most of it. From myself, Chris, Jeff, even Big Ed this morning, appreciate you for pulling in. Awesome powers, bro. Oh, that's where it is from, yes. But Peach Nation, you guys are like no other. We honestly have the best community out there. So stay safe, be safe. Don't go give those profits back from NFP. Have a great weekend, guys. We'll see you on the flip side. Peace and love, baby. Until next week.
Far away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. I am titanium. I'm titanium. Stone heart, machine gun, fired at the ones who run. Stone heart as a bulletproof glass. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, far away. Ricochet, you take your aim. Far away, far away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. I am titanium. I'm titanium. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, far away. Ricochet, you take your aim. Far away, far away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Oh yeah. Come on. City's breaking down on a camel's back. They just have to go cause they don't know whack. So all you feel the streets, it's appealing to see. You won't get out the county cause you're bad and free. You got a new horizon, it's ephemeral style. Melancholy town where we never smile. And all I wanna hear is the message beat. My dreams, they gotta kiss it cause I don't get sleep, no. Windmill for the land, turn forever hand in hand. Take it all in on your stride. It is sticking, falling down. last crack. Ladies, ponies at the track, it's my chocolate attack. Shoot us spinning all this shit, can't be rubbing all this shit. Watch me as I gravitate. Here we gonna go down this Motown with your sound, you in the blink. Don't fight with us, can't fight with us. With your sound, you kill the ink. So don't stop, get it until you chatter heavy. Watch the way I navigate. Windmill, windmill for the land, turn forever hand in hand. Take it all in on your stride. It is sticking, falling down. Forever, love is free. Let's turn forever, you and me. Windmill, windmill for the land. Is everybody